What happens when Homer becomes a tow truck driver?
In Season 19, Episode 3, Homer tries to buy milk for Maggie but ends up in the shady town called Guidopolis. After his car gets towed, he meets a tow driver named Louie and decides to become one himself. He starts towing cars all over Springfield, and pretty soon, everyone hates him. The townspeople trick him into towing a car in Guidopolis, where he gets kidnapped by Louie for working on his turf.
Put me down, you lousy!
Marge is worried about Homer, but then Maggie and Santa's little helper go on a rescue mission to find Homer. Maggie finds Homer, then breaks him out, and Homer gets home safe and thanks Maggie for saving his life.